Good morning, good morning. Thanks for jumping in for the channel for another video. We're with the group going to Tail of the Dragon, and looks like we've stopped here at a Baptist church as a little checkpoint. But anyways, we're going to throw the GoPro up and hopefully get some great footage. Thanks for watching this video.
Hey, they got a bunch of cops on this road. Looks like me and Sean in the white Porsche are about to get a little talking to.
I don't know how to do this. I've never done this before. Ah, scary. Ah, pussies.
Faster, Spade right.
And now it's bikes and trikes, bikes and trikes.
Bikes coming up, bikes and trikes.
Finally come up to the BMW.
I saw that.
He started driving 20 minutes ago. How is he carving like this? You know? Bike.
Oh, yeah, that's true.
That's why he's up there, like, you know? This is an enthusiast room. It's for the people that like petrol in the veins. Faster than you.
Yeah, just letting the faster ones go by.
That was a...
Yeah, the GTR pussed out by now. He's like, oh, here comes the purple.
this road on accident with my grandpa said with his RV. Oh.
Yeah, no, that's horrible. Yeah.
You would have to go 50.
Oh, yeah. If you lean or sway too heavy, you're gonna just die. So we are here at the Tail of the Dragon, just ripped through with the whole group. It's looking pretty awesome. And yeah, the Huracan held up great. First time ripping it through any twisted turnies, as Michigan has absolutely no good turns. So yeah, held on, didn't scrape at all actually, which is fantastic. So anyways, gonna grab a few souvenirs, maybe a t-shirt or sweatshirt for Amanda. And yeah. It's been a good time. So thanks for watching, as mentioned. Stick tuned for more videos, and yeah, thank you.
I have no idea, but he marked the end spot, so go to the end spot. They're happy. That's a big one. Oh, you're so lucky. Angelo, did you see the gas station?
Alright guys, we are here at the Fontana Dam. We've all lined up to do a little group photo, but it's gonna be quite the mess getting out of here. There's speed bumps all along this dam here. So 80 supercars gonna have to be raising their front lifts, scraping their asses along that way back. Regardless, gorgeous, and I got my gorgeous fiance. Oh shit, it's Damon! So this is how you destroy tires in a Huracan. Put it on the tire stand. Saturn's like fuck up the parking lot. Oh, fuck. So right here we got one of the craziest cars on the rally. Look at a street LMP car. It's called the Radical, or it's produced by Radical. That is the company. I believe they make these over in the UK, all carbon fiber. It's pretty awesome. have stopped on the Fontaine Bridge and, or Fontana Dam. Our takeover, it's pretty awesome. That's a long way down. Let's hop back in it. Alright guys, so the rally has ended for the day, but we got another day coming up. However, I have some nice fake, crispy American bills, and most of the rally participants are Canadian. They have no idea, well, obviously they have some idea what American money looks like, but they're not really gonna know how to differentiate this real quickly. So I've got an idea of doing a little lube plus fake bills, and let's see how this goes. Maybe we get some crazy reactions from bystanders trying to pick up the money, or we get some nice reactionary from people tomorrow morning with their having their car plastered with some fake American money. So look, check this out guys. We've got, oh, hold on, focus, focus. Souvenir of America. It is not the money, it's a joke. Regardless of all of that print, take a look at that from a distance. Does that or does that not look real? Come on. We're gonna mess with everyone. Check that ass out. Yeah.
Oh my god.